Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tina. I hope everybody's having a great Tuesday. Sorry about not posting the video yesterday. I'm still not feeling well. I got about 36 paintings yesterday on the auction. These three were in there. I think this one was $3. These were like $1 a piece. So I thought I'd show you three today. And so we'll start with this one. Please like, share, and subscribe, and welcome to all my new subscribers. I think we're 40 something away from 500, so when we get to 500, we'll be doing a blessing box. I am outside. It is a little chilly today, but it feels good. I needed some vitamin D. I've been stuck inside. There's a drill. So we'll stick that aside. I've never done a painting from this company. Looks about 30 by 40. 27 colors. 1's a 1, 2's a 2, all the way to 7's a 7. 8 through 23 is uppercase alphabets. A through Y. And 24, 25, 26, and 27 is symbols. Looks great quality. The stick's really good. Sorry about that, y'all. I had to cough. Let me get this straightened out. I'll show you. It says DIY diamond painting on the box, so I'm not sure. What company it came from. On the painting, it says diamond painting, www.flynnandme.com. It's gonna be beautiful. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? I don't have my measuring tape, and I'm thinking maybe 30 by 40. What do y'all think? 40 by 40? I don't see where it says on the box. It says Z5050. There's the thumbnail. Isn't that pretty, y'all? The drill felts are very clear. These are going to be fun to do. Alright, comes with a bougie kit. We have a green boat, 2 plates of wax, our pink pen with the 4-placer, and some baggies. And our drills. Look at the pretty drills. Look around. Beautiful, beautiful colors. It does have the DMC, and it does have 666 in here, the true red. It's gonna be pretty, y'all. Let me know your thoughts. Isn't that pretty? Let me know if you've worked with this company before. And there's the picture on the box. It has your tips and tricks. So yeah. Very nice. Alright. And the next one. This is what this one's going to look like. Sorry, y'all. I had to cough. 4-placer, or a can with the 4-placer baggies. 2 plates of wax in your green boat. Alright. This one's gorgeous. Very pretty. This one has 32 colors. This looks good. I love this one. This one's so pretty. You can tell it's been rolled up for a while, so I'll have to put this under the mattress. Look at that, y'all. Isn't that pretty? Thumbnail. Drill field, very clear. Like I said, 32 colors. Look at my eyeballs. One's a 1, two's a 2, all the way to 6 is 6. A through 22, I'm sorry, 7 through 22 is lowercase alphabets, A through O. A through X. 22 and 23 is symbols. 24, 25, 26, 27 is uppercase alphabet, A, F, H, N. And 28, 29, 30, 31, 32 is symbols. It's so pretty. I love this. 2 legends. Like I said, I showed you the toolkit. There's the pretty drill. Beautiful colors. Here's a round. See that pretty green, yellow. It's gonna be pretty, y'all. Take these out of the box when I get inside and put them under the mattress. I'm gonna work on this one soon. It's so pretty. Alright, and the last one, y'all. This one's the Michaels. It's a meat market. Like I said, I got it for $3. It says $14.99. It is a 40.6 centimeters by 50.8 centimeters, or 16 inches by 20 inches. And that's it. Isn't that pretty? This one would be good for Christmas in July. $3, y'all. I got this one for $3. I have a whole bundle of paintings. I got for a really great price. All right. 33 colors. 1 through 26 is uppercase alphabets, A through Z. Then 27 through 33 is symbols. Look at this one, y'all. Isn't that pretty? Now it is a very thick cover sheet. The stick's good. I haven't done a mate market yet. I do have some in my stash, but I haven't completed any of them. I need to. It does have the scalloped edges to prevent fraying. I've been wanting to go to Sickness so I can get to Hobby Lobby and see what I can find there. And swing by Michaels and see what they have. Before it's all gone and I miss out. This one's gorgeous, y'all. Jewel felt. There's no thumbnail. We'll take a look at the toolkit. It comes with your gray boat with a spout, your pink wax. Make sure you peel that off or you will not get no wax in your pen. Your pen with a squishy and some baggies. It comes with your instruction sheet in different languages. Tells you how to diamond paint. And beautiful, beautiful drills, y'all. Look at those. They're pretty. Gorgeous, gorgeous color. So pretty. It does not have the DMC numbers, just your symbols. Alright, my friends, that's what I have for you today. Have another look at that. Isn't that pretty? That's just gorgeous. So, I hope you all have a great Tuesday. Stay safe. stay warm or cool, depending on your weather. Watch these storms. We had some pretty bad tornadoes around. But I'm praying for everybody that was affected. So, all right, my friends, I love you all. You take care, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Stay safe, stay cool, and God bless you all. I love you. Bye-bye.